Let's continue with our students app. I have here the list of articles and the list of students. We have implemented uh, the show and hide functionality for students. We have the list of articles which is hard-coded here. And now let's, 1 second to make this bigger. Let's create here in the data folder another file where we will put all these articles. So let's create a file with the name articles list data.js, and in it let's create a constant with the name articles list data, and let's add a list of articles here. So each article will be an object, so each object will have an ID. So ID1, let's say that we have a text, and let's say paragraph 1. Let's add a title, and let's say title 1, and let's add also a color, and let's say green. Let's copy this object and let's paste it here, and also a comma. We need a comma here. Here I have paragraph 2, title 2. Let's change here the color and let's put yellow. Here I have paragraph 3, title 3, and here let's add purple. Here paragraph 4, title 4, and for the color let's add red. Okay, and now in our article list, so here let's import this file. So I have here import articles list data from, and here I have, so I have from, I'll go to steps, and here I have data articles list data. And now let's delete all these hard-coded articles, and let's add the articles from this file. For this I need a map, so I need articles, I think it's yeah, articles, 1 second, it's articles list data, and here I need articles list data, articles list data, and here I have a map, and in the map I have article and index. Inside it I have the component article. For the child I have article text, and for the props I'll add a key, because we have a map, and in the map we need to have a unique key. So here I have article ID, I have a title, and here let's add article title, a color, and let's put title color, this state. We need let's check a title click, I think. Yeah, we have a title click in the article, So here I need to add also the title click, and in the title click we call the change title color function with the argument article color, and also a delete handler. And inside the delete I have delete no, I think that we didn't implemented the delete. Okay, so let's implement the delete article. Let's go inside the article component, and let's add a new, let's move these properties on the next line like this. And here let's add a button. We need to import the button. I think, yeah, we have the button here, so I need to import it. So I have import button from, yeah, from button. And for the button, let's add a click property, and here in the article list, let's add delete handler. So here I have a delete handler. Inside the delete handler I'll have a function with the name delete article handler, and here I have article index. We'll implement this function, but first let's add it here. So here I have delete article handler, and I'm sending the index for the article. Okay, here I have a const, or no, let's use the spread operator to create a new array from the articles state. So I need to create a state for my articles. So let's create a state with the name articles and set articles for the setter. And the default value is taken from articles list data. And here I'll change articles list data with the articles. And let's implement the delete article handler. Here I'll create a copy for my articles array using the spread operator. So I have a const new article list equal with spread operator articles. After that I have new article list splice with the argument article index and 1. So in the new articles list, which is a copy of articles, I'm using the splice function to delete an item from article index being the parameter from here. And now I'm setting in my state the new article list, and this function is sent here, and in the article component at click I'll call this function from delete handler property. So I have props delete handler, and also for the button I need a text, and the text is delete article. Let's test now to see if it's working. I see that it's not working. So articles map is not a function. Let's see why articles map is not a function. where I have articles. I have here articles. Well, it's strange because articles is on array. So I have articles list data. Let's see again. Articles map is not a function. I think, yeah, I forgot to export this. So I need to export default articles list data. Yeah, and now it's working. And we can see that we have the delete article button for each article. Let's test to see if it's working. If I'm clicking here, oh, it's not deleted. I have an error. Let's see if we have errors. Oh. Yeah, we have two children with the same key 1 because I forgot to change the index in my articles. So here I have 1, 2, 3, and here I have 4. Let's test now. If I'm clicking on delete article from article 2 is deleted, 1 is deleted, and the last article 4, yeah, is deleted. So this is working.